Welcome to episode 8 of the Resell My Way to AK series, where I've been going to thrift stores and garage sales and purchasing items for really cheap and flipping them online on platforms such as eBay for a profit. I've been doing this in order to pay off my $8,000 worth of student loans, and here's the current budget that we've accumulated so far. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're at the Goodwill bins to hopefully resell some items online for a profit. If you've never been to the Goodwill bins before, you're basically digging through excess inventory that Goodwills didn't actually sell originally, but here they sell it at a much cheaper price. So I haven't found anything so far, but Emma apparently has something.
So it was Inside Out and I saw Disney on it, right? So I was like, oh, let me just flip it around and see like what it looks like. Now this is interesting just because of the front. Look at the year on it.
94.
And then ready? It's from a tour. It's a tour t-shirt.
Have you looked it up yet?
No. And look, it's Disney branded. It's a tour t-shirt and it's from 94.
Unfortunately, this t-shirt isn't actually worth anything, and it's not even vintage. If you guys look at the actual Disney tag, it's not on a hang tag. It's actually printed directly onto the t-shirt. We should have known right away that this wasn't vintage. Kansas City bucket hat. 47 brand. This will be good. I'll pick this up. Oh man, I can't really find anything, guys. Oh wait, look, these cleats. Probably no matching pair though. Oh shoot, actually, oh wait, okay. Guys, I used to have Mercurials, and these feel like the expensive kind, so I'm gonna look these up later. I have a feeling these are worth a lot of money. Dang, these are coming apart, but these are Sadio Mane. Sadio Mane! New Balance cleats. I actually found these pair of jeans right here from Levi's. They're 505C, 33 by 32. Someone was actually charging $38 originally for these pair of jeans. I'm not sure if they were charging for those pre-owned, but I'll definitely pick these up myself. I just found this mirror, and if you actually look closely, this is from Harley Davidson, but unfortunately there's only one. I can't find, like, you guys can see myself. If they had the second mirror for this, I'd probably be able to get around $30-$40 plus shipping, but just one mirror alone, I don't see any sold comps on eBay. I just went on a complete scavenger hunt around the bins, and I got some help from Emma to find these advanced beginner tap dance lessons DVDs. So basically it's lessons 1 through 12, and I found some sold comps on eBay between $80 and $100 plus shipping, so this is only going to cost me $1.50. So I was just scavenging through the books, and guess what I found? What I am best at, finding Wii Sports at the Goodwill bins. I have no idea why, but I've found like 5 copies of them in the last 2 or 3 visits that I've came here, and this should work. I'll just test it real quick when I get home, but that's a good like $14-15 plus shipping. Take a look at how beautiful these Nikes are that I just found. I'm gonna pull over here to the corner so I can actually be loud and talk to you guys about it, but look at how beautiful these are. They just have a little bit of wear to them. They say first use June 18th, 1971. My mom was born in 1971, but these Nikes are super fresh. They're in great condition, and wow, I'm just blown away. These are insane Nike Air Forces. I was also able to find this Leap Pad case. It's for those Leap Pad leapfrog things, and I looked inside of here and there's 3 games, but unfortunately they're actually not worth anything on eBay, so I'm gonna have to pass on it, but you know, it could have been worth something. What are these, Crocs? Yeah, they're Crocs, women's size 9. I think they just needed a little bit of a cleanup, but I'll definitely pick them up as well. In total, we only spent $12 today. Today was a little bit of a different day at the bins. I didn't find many items, but the items that I did find were actually really profitable. First up, we got this tripod that I broke, so that's trash now. And then for the resellable stuff for today, first up, we have this Kansas City Royals hat. I'll put an estimated value of $15 plus shipping on this. And then we got these 505C Levi's jeans. I'm thinking I should be able to turn it into like $40 plus shipping. And then we got these Mercurial cleats, I think around $70 plus shipping. We got this DVD set. I think I should be able to get like $70 plus shipping, $60 to $70 plus shipping on these. Then we got Wii Sports, 15 bucks. Then we got a pair of Crocs wedges, should be able to get $15 plus shipping on these. And then we got these Nike Air Force Ones, and I'm gonna put an estimated value of $60 plus shipping on these. I might be able to get a little bit more, but they are a little bit dirty, and there were actually no comps in pre-owned condition, just in new, and I think they were like $150 plus, so I think I should be able to get $60 conservatively. In total, we only spent $12 today for everything that's inside of this bag, and it should be around $300 worth of sales, so insane turnaround for only spending 12 bucks. So today was a long day at the bins, but now Emma and I are at our storage unit, and I have 3 things that I wanted to share with you guys. So number 1 is I've made a big change in how I'm conducting my reselling business. So I've added custom SKUs to everything that I've bought from the Resell My Way to AK series. I've added the custom SKU of 8K, just so I'm able to differentiate and organize everything. In my head, I thought I'd be able to put all of the Resell My Way to AK items, all the new items that I bought on this shelf, and that's not working out. I need more space. So basically I have all my shoes down here, I have all of my sweaters and jackets over here, and it's all mixed in for my old items and my new items. Now I'm gonna be able to differentiate when an item sells. Number two, I sold two items. I sold the Crocodile Hunter VHS tape for $12 plus shipping, and I sold this Phillies hat for $13 plus shipping. I got these both at the Goodwill bins, paid 75 cents for this and probably a quarter for this, so probably have $1 into both of these items. Number three, I've been super busy with school and work recently, so I haven't been posting much like long form content on this channel, and I've still been making a ton of sales over that period of time. So here's a montage of everything that's sold over the past couple of weeks. First up, I sold this Dallas Cowboys hat that I got from the bins for $25 plus shipping. Could have gotten more for it if they were in better condition. Then I sold this polo hat for $15 plus shipping. I think I spent $2 for it at Salvation Army. And then the next item that sold were these UGG Tasmans. So I actually had a little bit of an issue on these on Mercari on like getting paid for it, but I sold them for $30 plus shipping. You're probably wondering why the UGG screenshots doesn't actually show the amount that I'm going to be paid from Mercari. Everything is listed in this message right here, except for the fact that they told me that I didn't confirm the shipment. The issue was that I didn't not tap the confirm shipment. It was that I didn't get it scanned in via USPS because I do a package pickup from my house, which usually delays the actual scan. Then I sold this Kodak camera for $15 plus shipping. I paid probably around $1 for it at the Goodwill bins. And then moving on to a different day, we actually sold these New Balance shoes on Mercari. I ended up getting $23 plus shipping on top for them, so I'm going to be making around $20 after fees. And then after this sale, we ended up selling this Sponge-O-Rama VHS tape for $7.50 that I paid a quarter for at the Goodwill bins. And then this was one of the best sales that I've made in this series, and I sold this North Face jacket for $75 plus shipping, and I think I only spent $5 for it. Actually, no, I spent $2 for it at the garage sale that I just went to recently. And then on to a different day now, we actually sold these Air Max 90s, I think that's what they're called, for $25 plus shipping. And then I sold this pretty cute like Mickey Mouse gold figure for $15 plus shipping. I'll probably spent like a quarter to 50 cents for it at the Goodwill bins. And then I sold a Jordan hat that I picked up at Salvation Army. Actually, no, from the garage sale for $2, and I sold it for $23 plus shipping. And then I kind of struggled to find this item. I kind of didn't remember where it was at first, but I sold these New Balance shoes for $31 plus shipping on top on Mercari, and I probably spent around $3 for them at the Goodwill bins. Then I had two more items that were in the car that I actually just recently listed from the garage sale, and I sold this Nike Thermofit for $19 plus shipping. I paid $1 for it. Same with this Psycho Bunny polo, and I got $40 plus shipping on top for it. I wanted to give a shout out to Chill Collects. He bought this hat for me for $10. If you guys would have remembered this hat, I bought it early on in the series, but it had like a little bit of brimware to it, so I wanted to disclose it and sell it on a whatnot auction. So I actually wanted to go ahead and sell some stuff from last week's garage sale video because just wanted to get some of the stuff moving, especially some of the stuff that didn't have brands. So yeah, I'd say the most notable sales of the night were this Houston Astros hat, this Jordan hoodie. This jersey was a really nice sale, but that was separate. We sold a couple of other hoodies like Michael Kors, Adidas, and I'll go ahead and throw up the total that we made tonight for our Reseller AK series right here. And that's how much we have in the fund. So Whatnot's just a quick little fun way to get rid of some stuff for pretty decent prices for you guys, and we make some quick money as well. It's good to get some stuff out the door.